Hi, good people. This is Sue. I am here to tell you an interesting story. It was Sunday morning. I woke up around 6:30 o'clock. My mother was calling me to have breakfast. When I was going to have my breakfast towards the breakfast table, I heard our doorbell ringing. Curious, I went to answer it. Standing on our doorstep was a delivery person, holding a rather mysterious-looking box. "Package for Sue," they said with a smile, handing it over before swiftly disappearing down the path. I brought the box inside and set it on the kitchen table. My mum and dad gathered around, just as intrigued as I was. We examined the box carefully. It was wrapped in plain brown paper, tied up with twine. There was no sender's address, only my name scrawled across the top in messy handwriting. With a sense of anticipation, I untied the twine and peeled back the paper. Inside, nestled among crumpled newspaper, was a small wooden chest, intricately carved with swirling patterns. It looked ancient, like something from a different time. Excitement bubbled up inside me as I carefully lifted the lid. Inside the chest was a single, shimmering crystal. It sparkled in the morning light, casting rainbow reflections across the kitchen walls. "What is it?" my dad asked, leaning in for a closer look. "I don't know," I replied, mesmerized by the crystal's beauty. We spent the rest of the morning examining the mysterious crystal, speculating about its origins and what secrets it might hold. But the more we studied it, the more questions we had. As the day wore on, the mystery of the box consumed our thoughts. Who had sent it? And why? What did the crystal signify? Eventually, we decided to keep the crystal safe, tucked away in its wooden chest until we could uncover the truth behind its arrival. But no matter how hard we searched, the mystery remained unsolved. To this day, the mystery box sits on our mantelpiece, a constant reminder of that curious Sunday morning and the secrets that still lie within.